Hello, I am Nachi Consola and today we are going to create a straight through and crossover Ethernet patch cable. In order to make the cable, we need an unshielded twisted pair cable Cat6, an RJ45, crimping tool, and a Wi-Fi tester, or a laptop if you don't have a Wi-Fi tester. A straight-through cable uses the same color order on both ends. Let's make the first end using T568B. First, we strip the outer jacket. Just make about an inch. Be careful not to nick the insulation of the inner wires. Now we untwist the pairs. The twist is crucial for noise cancellation, so only untwist as little as possible. Straighten the wires and arrange them in the T568B order. Hold them flat and tight, then trim the ends straight. This is critical. If they're not even, they won't sit properly inside the connector. Insert the aligned wires into the RJ45 plug. Make sure the wires go all the way to the front and the outer cable jacket is secured under the strain relief tab. Finally, place the plug in the crimping tool and squeeze firmly until you hear the ratcheting mechanism click that set the pins and the locks in the jacket. To complete the straight-through cable, we repeat the exact same process on the second end. Since the first end was T568B, the second end must also be T568B. Result, pin 1 connects to the pin 1, pin 2 connects to the pin 2, and so on. Data goes straight through, relying on the connected devices like a router to perform unnecessary signal swapping. Now, for the crossover cable, remember, this is used for connecting similar devices. We've already terminated our first end with T568B. For the second end, we need to use T568A standard. This swaps the orange and green pairs, forcing the transmit pins on the other side to connect to the receive pins on the other. Here's a T568A order. Notice the difference in the few wires. For the other end, we will do the T568B pattern.